A woman's inner environment and chemistry are deeply and directly affected by the masculine energy around her. That one specific thing a husband must do, which actually defines whether you are raising a future leader or an anxious child. Men miss this is the ultimate villain. A thriving family is never defined by a man's resume. The true definition of a thriving family is purely based on business. I'm working. I don't have time. The mother's security depends upon the security provided by her partner, her husband. Fathers are not just providers. They are the Most men think their job during pregnancy is just paying the bills, driving to the clinic, and buying a crib. Most people have no idea that exactly 50% of a child's lifelong emotional programming and core security comes directly from the husband, that is the father of this baby, inside the mother's womb while she's pregnant. Hello. I'm Dr. Monika Singh, and I love interacting with my pregnant mommies. I'm a doctor. I've been practicing obstetrics and sonology for more than 29 years, delivered tens of thousands of babies, and it was such a grace helping them come into this world. Authored a book called Awakening in Womb. As a TEDx speaker, I have received a lot of love through these couples, and I have defined this as my purpose. I feel like hand-holding people through the journey of their awakening through pregnancies beyond ultrasounds, medicines, hospital routine checkups, which are so important, but diving deeper than that. In this video, I'll show you what profound energetic role a father plays during the womb life of your child, and that one specific thing a husband must do, which actually defines whether you are raising a future leader or an anxious child. When couples come to my hospital, I constantly hear husbands say, "Pregnancy is my wife's game." I used to see men involved in just 10% or maybe 15% of the grooming level of the baby, completely unaware of their power. If you're an expecting father who feels a bit disconnected, or a mother feeling unsupported, this video is going to fundamentally change your marriage. Here is exactly what we are going to discover: the biological myth of the mother's environment, the real definition of a thriving family, and the ultimate action a father must take right now. Point number 1. Most people approach pregnancy believing that because the mother carries the child physically, she is 100% responsible for the imprinting of the subconscious mind. Here's exactly why that doesn't work. A woman's inner environment and chemistry are deeply and directly affected by the masculine energy around her. What actually happens is that the husband's presence acts as an emotional cushion. When a mother experiences wild mood swings, the husband is the anchor. If he fails to provide that anchor, her stress creates a chemical imbalance that could manifest as pregnancy-induced hypertension or fluctuating baby heartbeat or a low birth weight baby or reduced amniotic fluid. There could be several consequences. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. Husbands often believe that providing a massive bank balance, getting VP promotions, or buying a new car is what creates a successful family. What I realized after delivering thousands of babies is that a thriving family is never defined by a man's resume. The true definition of a thriving family is purely based on how secure the mother feels. If you have millions in the banks, but your wife feels less secure, that exact frequency of insecurity is being passed straight into your unborn child's subconscious. So when you put the mother's biology and the father's emotional anchoring together, something most extraordinary and beautiful happens. You realize that the father is literally writing the baby's future's lens on relationships. The real reason men miss this is the ultimate villain. Busyness. I'm working. I don't have time. Husbands say that they are too busy to attend pregnancy sessions. But busyness is an illusion. It simply means your child's subconscious is not your priority yet. Which brings us to one thing that fixes all of this. And here's that one thing nobody actually tells you. When a husband actively nurtures his wife, he is telepathically telling the baby that relationships are secure and marriage is deeply worth it. So, here is the exact approach you must apply starting today. Husbands, step up and consciously take accountability for your 50% role. Wives, actively tell your baby in the womb, I feel completely loved and unconditionally supported by your dad. When you do this, you birth a child who is rock solid in their relationships for the rest of their lives. So, to quickly recap, 50% of the baby's programming comes from the dad. A thriving family is purely defined by mother's security. And your marriage right now is the blueprint for your baby's future. The mother's security depends upon the security provided by her partner, her husband. And that one thing I want you to actually take away from this is that fathers are not just providers, they are the emotional architects of their child's life. If this resonated, I invite you to my 2-day workshop called Awakening in Womb. Find the link below, register, and I'll see you. Go through it, and we'll meet for sure soon. Keep on watching this place. Goodbye.